Hello everyone, you have to take the hairs and make a ponytail. Now roll the hairs in the same rubber band and then spread it from the between like this. Now roll rest of the hairs around it and fix it inside the hairpins like this. Using the hairpins, we will fix the hairs on the top and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs and make a ponytail. Now fix the hairs in the half. Now after that, you have to pull it little back and then fix the hairs by inside like this. Spread the hairs on the top and then fix the hairs inside it. Now after fixing it, we will put the hairs by pushing it like this inside it and cover the hairs over it and spread it. Now after that, put the clutch or the rubber band over it to fix the hairs like this. Now tie it carefully, put the rubber band and tie the hairs. Now you can put the hair clutch too and then spread the hairs little bit from the top and sides and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, you have to take the hairs and then roll it like this, folding it upward. Tie it using the rubber band. Now fix the hairs again and put the rubber band again over it like this. So tie the bun using the rubber band and then put the hair clutch over it and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs by rolling it like this and then put the rubber band over it by spreading it. Now pull it upward little bit and then fix it by spreading it and then rotate the hairs on the top. Put it like this and you can put the hair clutch over it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, make a ponytail and then roll it using the fingers. Fold it to make a bun on the top. Fold it tightly and neatly. Now fix it by spreading it like this and put the hair bun pins on the sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail and fix the hairs in the half. Now spread it and then fold rest of the hairs by tying it from the downside. Rotate it and then fold it around the rubber band on the top. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit as shown in the video. Fold it, fix it tightly and then roll it. Now after that, fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie half of the hairs and then fold it like this and fix it inside the same rubber band on the top. Next, you have to tie the ponytail using a rubber band. Fix it like this in the half, then fold it now rest of the hairs like this and put the rubber band again over it and it's done.